Come closer, my child. Yes, like that. Pull your blanket up. Tonight, I will tell you a story, not from a book, but from memory. This is the kind of story grandmothers tell when the world is quiet and hearts listen better. Long ago, there was a small village at the edge of open fields. At night, every house turned off its lamp and went to sleep. Every house, except one, to the end of the road. A small oil lamp burned every single night, no matter how strong the wind was, no matter how dark the sky became. Children noticed it first. They whispered to each other, "Why does that lamp stay on? Does someone live there? Is it haunted?" But when they asked the elders only said one thing: that lamp is not for light, it is for remembering. In that village lived a boy named Irfan. He was curious, just like you. One night, when the moon was thin and the village was asleep, Irfan followed the glow. He walked slowly until he reached the house. He knocked. The door opened. An old woman stood there. Her back was bent with age, but her eyes were awake, very awake. She looked at Irfan and said softly, "You are late, child." The night listens carefully. She invited him inside and poured him warm milk. Irfan pointed at the lamp and asked, "Grandmother, why do you keep this lamp on every night?" The old woman smiled, not a happy smile, a remembering smile. She said, "Sit down. Some answers take time." She began her story. Long ago, she said, this village followed one rule. No one sleeps while another person is suffering. If someone was hungry, a lamp stayed on. If someone was sick, a lamp stayed on. If someone was lonely, a lamp stayed on. The light was a message. Someone still needs us. But time passed. People became busy. They closed their doors earlier. They started saying, "It is not my problem. I have my own life." One night, a poor widow sat crying. In the darkness, no lamp was lit for her, except this one. The old woman looked at Irfan and said quietly, "That widow was me. I lit this lamp, not because I was strong, but because I was alone. No one came. Still, she kept the lamp burning. She said, I made a promise. As long as I am alive, this lamp will stay on. So the village never forgets the rule it abandoned." Irfan asked softly, "Grandmother, does the lamp still work?" She replied, "It works for those who choose to see. Light does not force people, child." Years passed. The old woman died, but the lamp never went out. Now Irfan was grown. Every night, he filled the lamp with oil, because stories are not told just to help children sleep. They are told to remind adults of their responsibility. So remember this, my child. One day, you will grow up. You will become busy, tired, important, and one night, you will walk past a light that does not belong to you. You will feel lazy. You will feel uninterested. You will say, "Someone else will help." That is the night this story will test you. Because the lamp is not oil and fire. The lamp is a question. It asks, have you become someone who sleeps peacefully while others stand in the dark? If you ignore the light, nothing bad will happen immediately. That is how society fools us. But slowly, the village becomes colder. Hearts close. And one day, you will be the one waiting for a lamp. And my child, I pray that night someone notices. Society does not become cruel. In one day, it becomes silent. And silence, my child, is the darkest night of all. Now sleep, but never, never let your kindness sleep. If you saw that lamp tonight, would you walk past it?
If this story stayed with you, please like the video. It helps this light reach someone who may need it tonight. And if you believe stories can still guide hearts, subscribe to the channel so this lamp keeps burning night after night.